How to add a phone number to your TikTok account. Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can add a phone number to your TikTok account. First we will open TikTok. When TikTok has opened, we need to find the profile option in the bottom menu and click on it. This will take us to our profile. In our profile window, we need to find the three lines located in the upper right part of the screen and click on them. This will open a menu in the lower part of the screen, in which we select the Settings and Privacy option. In the Settings and Privacy window, we will be offered a large number of options, the first of which we need is Account. In the new menu, we can change all information about our account. However, the option we need is hidden behind the User Information section. We click. Here we can change our email address or add a phone number. We choose the first option. A page will open asking us to enter a phone number. When we have done that, we need to press the Send Code button, which will send a message with a verification code to the phone number. When we enter the verification code, the phone number will be added and linked to our profile. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also watch other videos on this topic. See you in the next video.